Dear viewers, you are looking at Darjeeling Himalayan Tea Garden. It's located in Mirik in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. Viewers, I will remind you that this garden is located 1495 meter above sea level. This place is sloping, steep due to its location in the Himalayas, which is patronizing to tea cultivation. Darjeeling tea is world famous for its flavor and aroma. 1 kg of white tea costs 1,80,000 Indian rupees. It is the most expensive tea in the world. The local topography and climate of Darjeeling enriches the taste and aroma of Darjeeling tea. That's why there has been a lot of research, a lot of competition since the beginning of the development of the tea industry. But stay away from making tea like Darjeeling tea. No tea grower has been able to come close to it due to its superior quality in aroma. Tea gardens are wonderful sight for tourists visiting Darjeeling. So the roadside gardens attract a lot of tourists. This high and low tea garden in the hills is like a paradise for tourists. The garden you have seen so far is a tea garden of big trees, but now the garden you are looking at is a tea of short variety. There is a stark difference between this tall and short variety of tea, as the world famous Darjeeling tea is made from these short varieties. The height of this garden is 2042 meters from the sea level. Darjeeling tea is planted with Chinese seeds at an average height of 2000 meters above sea level. The world famous Darjeeling tea is produced with the tender buds of Camellia in the picturesque surroundings of the Darjeeling hills. Darjeeling tea accounts for 3% of India's total production. A total of 63 tea gardens in Darjeeling produce an average of 12 million kg of Darjeeling tea per year on 20,000 hectares of land. The most popular of the tea gardens here are Pottabang Tea Estate, Glenburg Tea Estate, Makaibari Tea Estate, Gopaldhara Tea Estate, Okaiti Tea Estate, etc. Dear viewers, see huge tea gardens along the slopes of the mountains, and from a distance it looks as if someone has covered the Himalayas with a green sheet. As far as the eye can see, it is just a mind-blowing tea garden and tea garden. Tea cultivation requires a temperature of 20 degree to 30 degree. Rainfall required is 150 semi to 250 semi and a humidity of 70% to 90%. Tea gardens need quick drainage as much as rain is needed, so hilly areas are suitable for tea cultivation. You see some big trees in the tea garden because the tea trees prefers semi-shade, so the garden occasionally grows bay leaves or orange. In the tea plantation of the plains, we see more of these semi-shady trees because the climate of the plains is warm in nature. Here you see flowers on the tea tree. It is a just mind-blowing view. Dear viewers, if you have ever visited a tea garden, you are invited to visit the Darjeeling tea garden. The tea garden here will actually make you stand out. Darjeeling tea is, in a word, a fascinating creation of God in its sweet smelling and beauty.